In this video, we will see how to configure ME309 Xpon Ont with RF. So first we will have to open the network adapter settings in our computer and enter the IP address, subnet mask and default gateway as written on the screen. The IP address for this device is 192.168.1.1. This is the default IP that works with this device. Once we enter that, we have to open the web page of the ONT with the IP in the URL bar. So we'll enter the IP in the URL bar, that is 192.168.1.1. We'll now log into the ONT page with the username and password both as admin. After we have logged in, we'll go into the network settings of the ONT and here we'll create a new connection. So we'll enable or disable the VLAN according to our connection. I don't have a VLAN in it right now, so I'll disable it. After that, I'll choose root and internet as my connection type. And if my connection is triple PoE, I'll select the triple P option. And if my connection is IP, that is, if it is static or it works on DHCP mode, I'll choose the IP option. So if I choose the static, I'll have to enter all my static IP addresses. And if it is triple PoE, I'll enter the username and password. So mine is DHCP, so I'll choose IP and then DHCP and then create the connection. एक बार connection create होने के बाद I'll go into my LAN settings and I'll enable the DHCP server and click the submit button or the apply button. ये सब करने के बाद I'll go into the status and check my status if I've created the connection correctly. As I can see, my IPv4 status is connected. I've created an IPv4 connection and I'm getting an IP that is .70. I'll log out the page, again go into my network adapter settings and set it to automatically obtain IP address. ये सब करने के बाद मैं चेक करूँगा कि मेरा इंटरनेट कनेक्शन चल रहा है या नहीं. तो I'll just open Google. Here I can see my internet is working fine, and because I have enabled my DHCP server, now I can even open the ONT page without entering the IP in the network adapter settings. And this is how I configure my ME309 with RF